Hey guys, here's another list of cool gadgets that you might find pretty useful to have. Let's go! Philips Cena Floor Lamp. Decorate your home with the all-new Philips floor lamp that can blend seamlessly in any room of a modern home due to its unique slim stylish white design. Simply paint your walls with unique gradient light that's made by blending multiple colors together. Now you can change the appearance of any room in your home to match perfectly with an event. You can simply control all your Hue smart lights in a single room of your home. Add up to 10 smart lights and control them all with just a touch on your mobile device. With the Hue Sync box and the Hue bridge that are sold separately, you can surround yourself with Philips Hue lights and turn on your movie, game or music. Then watch your lights mirror the colors and rhythm. Nano Leaf Shapes Kit. This is a modular light system that allows you to create your own unique lighting designs. It consists of hexagonal light panels, which can be connected together in any way you like. The panels are touch-sensitive and can be controlled with the Nano Leaf app or any smart home assistant like Alexa. It can be used to create a variety of different lighting effects, including ambient lighting, accent lighting to highlight architectural features or artwork in your home, task lighting which is perfect for reading or doing any task, and gaming lighting that can be used to create immersive and dynamic lighting effects for gaming. The best thing about this device is that it's modular, so you can create your own unique lighting design. BioLight Fire Pit. Enjoy a barbecue with your family in your own backyard without having to dance around the fire all evening to dodge the eye-watering smoke. Create mesmerizing flames with BioLight's patented combustion and get a full unobscured view thanks to its X-ray mesh body design. Enjoy the warmth, smell, crackle, and feel of a wood campfire without the smoke. Smoke is just uncombusted fuel. The manufacturers of the device found a way to burn the fuel, hence reducing the amount of smoke being produced. Invite all your friends and up your cooking game. With the extra large cooking area, it makes group meals easy, and its seasoned surface is ready for eggs, meat, pancakes, and more. Just sit back and enjoy the 360-degree view of your fire. It has a rechargeable power pack that runs the fan for your fire for up to 30 hours. Leica M11 Monochrome. Are you still busy posting those ugly-looking photos of yours on social media and still blaming the phone you're using? Let's face it guys, there's only so much a phone can do, and taking black and white photos isn't one of them. The Leica M11 Monochrome is the perfect instrument for achieving your artistic potential to the full. With this camera, you'll be able to shoot black and white images that depict the finest details with outstandingly natural sharpness. Without having to use any color filters and with extremely high sensitivity, it also gives you the freedom to choose between 60, 36 and 18 megapixel resolution at any time. This camera is the fourth generation of its kind and it suits perfectly for photographers who are completely dedicated to black and white photography. Logitech Litra Glow. The Logitech Litra Glow is a premium streaming light that wraps your face in a soft, flattering light for a professional look in any setting. It's perfect for content creators, gamers, and anyone who wants to look their best on camera. What makes the Litra Glow so special is its proprietary TrueSoft technology. TrueSoft uses a combination of precision optics and a frameless diffuser to deliver even glare-free light without harsh shadows or hot spots. This means that you'll look your best on camera, even in low light conditions. The Litra Glow simply clips onto your monitor or desk, and you can adjust the brightness and color temperature with a single touch. You can also use the Logitech G Hub software to create custom lighting profiles for different activities. Whether you're recording a YouTube video, streaming on Twitch, or just having a video call with friends and family, the Logitech Litra Glow will make you look your best. Anker Soundcore Motion X600. This is a portable Bluetooth speaker that promises stereo spatial audio at an impressive 50 watts output. It was designed to bring your favorite tunes wherever you go, allowing you to play anything directly from your smartphone via Bluetooth connection. The device has 5 drivers and 5 amplifiers placed inside, all for the sole purpose of delivering sound all around you. The built-in handle makes it easy to transport, and it has IPX7 for water resistance, meaning you can safely place it beside the pool and don't have to worry about it being damaged by splashes. The device can last up to 12 hours when fully charged. Lark Water Pitcher. A Lark Water Pitcher is a water filter pitcher that uses UVC light to purify water. UVC light is a type of ultraviolet light that's known to kill bacteria and other contaminants. The Lark Water Pitcher has a 2-stage filtration process to improve the quality of your water using PureVis and Nano Zero filter technology, giving you fresh-tasting water, sip after sip. Lark filters last up to 50% longer than leading brands, filtering 60 gallons of water before the next replacement. This is a popular choice for people who want to improve the quality of their drinking water without having to install a whole house water filtration system. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so that we can keep you updated for more.